Okay, so 2006 Land Rover LR3 Discovery 3. Going to demonstrate what happens when it's cold out and you have a brake switch that's going. What happens when you quickly release the brake when it's cold, you'll get a fault because it releases too slow. So it's only, it's actually quite warm today, -4, so you may not do it, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, so I've got the IDD tool here. I've selected the two brake switch items to monitor, and so I'm going to start it up. And I'm going to go into view live values here. See, brake pedal is off. Press the brake pedal on. You can see both signals are on with the brake pedal pressed. Now I'll release it quickly. And you can see how the brake pedal switch was slow, and we got our fault right away. And so now we'll take a look at the faults that were found. So you can see here we have the brake switch algorithm, and that's what's causing our problems, and that then causes these other ones here. Brake light switch circuit algorithm based failure, signal compare. That's when you can see where there's one that says it's on and one that says it's off. So that's it.
What the? Oh, Craig's got a new video. So glad I subscribed.